Today I'm going to show you how to do the lateral raise. So the lateral raise works on the lateral part of your shoulder muscles. The middle part, the part that has the shape, the most aesthetic part of your muscles, of your shoulder muscles, sorry. I don't know if you watch cartoons or if you see bodybuilders in movies and stuff. You see how their shoulders always have that arc, have this shape, that rounded, well-rounded shape. This lateral raises will give you that definition. So what you do, you can do it sitting or standing, but I'm going to do it in this video. So what you do, grab your dumbbells. You want to lean forward. As you can see, my feet is out. You want to lean forward. Dumbbells just below your lap. Then you do this. But one thing I want you to notice is that as I'm doing this motion, my hand is not straight. It's not bent like this. There's a slight bend I have on my hand. It's like this. One key thing you should know about lateral raises is that I want you to lift with the idea that your elbows are leading, not your arm. If your arm is leading, you lift like this. And you're not working your shoulder muscles at all. You're working your forearms. So you lift with your shoulders. Imagine your pinky finger is lifting the weight. Lift with the idea that your pinky finger is facing the ceiling. This way, you will work your lateral raise. You will feel it. If you do it, even if you do it free weight, you do this motion with a slight bend and your elbows leading the charge. Do it enough times and you feel it in your lateral muscles. But with the wrong form, you will not work your lateral muscles. And just because I said it's the lateral, it's the middle part of your shoulder muscle, doesn't mean your arm should be directly by your side and do this. No. You lean forward a little bit, this particular angle, then you want to make sure you control the motion. Not too fast, not too slow. I'm already feeling the effect in my lateral delts. So again, like I said, dumbbells by your side, you lean forward, then you raise. For beginners, it's advisable you do it with free weights at first to get the motion. Use lighter weights again to get the form correctly. Make sure you are hitting the lateral delts. If not, you are just wasting your energy in the gym. For veterans, you can use heavier weights as well as increase reps for intensity, reps or sets for intensity, however which you choose to do your workout. But lateral is guaranteed to give you that well-defined, well-rounded shoulder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials and videos like this on different workouts you may be interested in. And turn on the post notification so you get a buzzer whenever we make a post. Thank you for watching.